It's okay like this.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So good morning, everybody. I'm not with it. Move my bed today. My hair go clear. So good morning, everybody. So we are starting a solar and inverter class today. So what I want us to do is that I want to first know our level of understanding about solar and inverter. So let me start from afar. Afar kílẹ̀ mọ̀ nípa solar àti inverter.
Solar and inverter system is just a system balancing electrical current platform to AC source. So just like a generator.
It's like a generator. You can use it to generate power. Well, that's one of it. Yeah, what's your own suggestion?
Solar and inverter, I said it is like generator with use of different.
Don't say what someone else has said. Say new thing.
The make use of different is like the panels and the batteries is more costly
than generators. We make use of panels, batteries, and solar. Oh yeah, can do. Solar servers energy. Solar servers is petroleum. I'm sure you're hearing so many things. Oh yeah, Azubike, I'm listening to your own. To save energy, one. Number two again. I'm listening to you now. To 10 minutes. Because we have followed us to site, not once, not twice. Save energy. You can run to solar and inverter. Instead of buying fuel, and you'll do so long. We are inside this. So I about what time? We have to pay 10 minutes. You go to my padà. We have to pay 10 minutes and it's fine. Lord, those are yeah, I'm listening to you, Jerry. Sun is being converted. Okay, sun being converted into electricity. That's it's still welcome. Oh yeah. Oh, kilo orúkọ yẹn náà. Mayowa.
Solar is a kind of system in which we use sun to generate electricity.
We can use sun to generate
through
electricity.
the solar panel.
Yeah, he has already said that. So say another thing.
Okay, like what I wanted to say is that this kind of solar panel that we use here, we have two kinds of conversion of energy from sun. We have the direct conversion and the conventional direct conversion. Here we are using direct conversion, whereby the solar panel has a photo cell in it, in which when suns enter with some special panels and some connection in it, it converts the sun into electricity, which is stored into.
Azubike, sorry pé orí ò pé báyẹn tó ṣe èdè ló tún mọ nǹkan jù ẹ lọ yìí o. Mo ń gbọ́ ṣé mo ní o dúró sínú bòjì ni dúró sínú òrùn.
Into the after that it will be stored into the battery, whereby the battery is in DC. And we are using AC in the house, so the inverter we use it to convert the DC into the AC so that can
I'm even okay with that.
Suitable in that to be.
So clap for him, you really tried. So don't explain it. Ẹ rí pé ọmọ yín ó kàn wá ń jẹun ṣọ́ọ̀bù ẹ̀wọ̀n iṣẹ́ ìdè ni ẹ̀ tó ti lọ sáìtì gan. Mo ṣe mo ní kó dín nǹkan mú ni ó fẹ́ kúnlẹ̀ ó fẹ́ káwọ́ ẹ̀ sókè àrẹ. Ó tiẹ̀ mọ̀ kankan ni àṣẹ ní sọ. So welcome once again. You know, he said solar, we use it to generate energy. Let me first start from the uses of solar and inverter. You can use it to generate, as he said. The solar part generates energy. You can use it to store energy. Your battery can store energy for use in later days. And your inverter is like a conversion that converts the energy stored to energy that you can use. And at the same time, it can make energy that you are not using. I mean electrical energy you are not using. It can also help you to save it. Send it to the battery to save. And it also have like a timer switch that switch whether to charge or to discharge. Okay, can I move on now?
Yes, sir.
So I will still introduce you more. There are so many things that we'll be talking about in this class. We talk about the phenomenon behind the solar and inverter technology. That's one. Number two, we talk about devices, components that you can put together to form a solar and inverter system. That's two. Number three, we will explain each of those components that you are using. Number three, we explain what each of those components does. That's three. And number four, we will now talk about your energy auditing, your energy consumption, energy auditing, and your energy management. Let me say energy auditing and your energy management. So to pay 10 minutes, pay 10 minutes. Then lastly, we now talk about the problems, the challenges that you can face while using an inverter. Maybe your inverter develop a fault. How can you rectify it? Maybe what are those things that you need to put in place so as to prevent your inverter from developing faults. So, then we now have an interactive section, practical sections. Probably we are having a project. You guys will follow us to site and you see how it's been done. So can I move on?
Yes, sir.
So let me now start from a little about the phenomenon. The major thing is your inverter system is different from a solar system, but the two can work hand in hand. In your inverter and battery system, it's just meant to save energy and to make it available for use and reuse. That is, when there is electricity, for example, now your inverter will convert the electricity into DC that will be saved in your battery. So by the time maybe there is no electricity again from your power holding company, about the electricity distribution company, all those ones that we call NEPA, Ikeja Electricity Distribution Company, Eco Electricity Distribution Company, Abia Electricity Distribution Company, any distribution company that is distributing electricity to you. When there is no electricity now, the energy that is already saved inside the battery, you now use it back. So by that time, it's what is saved inside the battery that will be sent back into your load. Well, and what do we call load? Load are